For years, a vital global trade route has played a crucial role in international commerce, but significant changes may be on the horizon. Recent developments indicate that China is undertaking a project that could render this strategic passage obsolete, shifting the balance of power in ways we haven't seen in decades. In this discussion, we will examine 10 advanced aircraft that could potentially support China's ambitions in reshaping global trade dynamics. First up, we have the Chengdu J-20, also known as the Mighty Dragon. This isn't just another jet, it's China's most sophisticated stealth fighter, engineered to disappear from radar. The J-20 is designed to approach high-value targets undetected, making it a game-changer in any strategic operation. It boasts supersonic speeds and long-range operational abilities, meaning it can get in and out before anyone knows what hit them. Equipped with precision-guided missiles and bombs, the J-20 is capable of inflicting devastating damage. Its artificial intelligence-enhanced systems provide real-time threat analysis, making it even more effective in the chaos of a military operation. Next, we have the Shenyang J-11, a jet designed for one purpose: to rule the skies. This highly maneuverable fighter jet excels in aerial combat, capable of outmatching enemy aircraft and securing control over contested airspace. The J-11 is versatile, capable of engaging both aerial and ground targets with an array of high-powered weaponry. In a large-scale military strategy, the J-11 would be a key player in eliminating aerial threats and establishing dominance. It's a testament to China's commitment to building a modern, powerful air force. Now let's talk about the Shenyang J-16. This multi-role fighter is built to handle any mission, from intense air combat to precision strikes against ground targets. It's packing a full arsenal of air-to-air missiles, guided bombs, and air-to-ground weaponry. One of its most impressive features is its advanced radar system, which allows it to detect and engage threats from a long distance. It can operate from both land bases and aircraft carriers, making it incredibly adaptable. The J-16 is a prime example of China's focus on building a versatile and powerful air force. Chengdu J-10, the Agile Eagle. This highly agile multi-role fighter is like a dancer in the sky, gracefully weaving through the air while packing a serious punch. It's designed to excel in both aerial combat and ground assault missions. The J-10, with its exceptional maneuverability, would be right at home in a tight dogfight. Armed with state-of-the-art missiles and guided bombs, it can deliver devastating blows to enemy aircraft and ground targets alike. The J-10 is a clear example of how China is constantly innovating and pushing the boundaries of military aviation. Sukhoi Su-27, the borrowed weapon. Originally developed in Russia but now an integral part of China's Air Force, this long-range fighter is built for air superiority. With incredible speed, agility, and advanced radar capabilities, the Su-27 can track and engage enemy aircraft over vast distances. The Su-27 is incredibly versatile, capable of carrying out both air combat missions and precision ground strikes. Armed with long-range missiles, guided bombs, and electronic warfare systems, this aircraft is a force to be reckoned with. The Su-27 is a symbol of how nations can share technology and expertise to bolster their military capabilities. Sukhoi Su-30, the multifaceted hunter. This multi-role fighter is like a Swiss Army knife of the skies, capable of engaging both aerial and ground threats with pinpoint accuracy. One of the most impressive features of the Su-30 is its advanced radar system, which can track multiple targets simultaneously. The Su-30 is also incredibly maneuverable, allowing it to outmaneuver opponents and deliver its payload with deadly precision. It's armed with a variety of powerful weapons, including air-to-air missiles, guided bombs, and electronic warfare capabilities. The Su-30 is a shining example of how modern military aircraft are becoming increasingly versatile and adaptable. Now let's talk about a true game-changer, the Sukhoi Su-35. The Su-35 is designed for maximum agility, speed, and firepower, making it a nightmare for any adversary. This aircraft is equipped with cutting-edge radar and electronic warfare technology, allowing it to detect, track, and engage multiple targets simultaneously. It's armed with a wide range of air-to-air and air-to-ground weaponry, including long-range missiles and precision-guided bombs. The Su-35 is a prime example of how advanced technology is shaping the future of military aviation. Now let's talk about a jet that's all about speed, the Shenyang J-8. This high-speed interceptor is built to intercept and neutralize enemy aircraft before they can reach their targets. These interceptors are armed with an array of long-range missiles and an advanced radar system, allowing them to detect and engage targets from a distance. The J-8 might not be as flashy as some of the other jets on this list, but it's a reliable defender that forms the backbone of China's air defense network. It's a reminder that sometimes the best offense is a good defense. Let's shift gears now and talk about the Shenyang J-20, a true behemoth of the skies. This strategic airlifter ensures that troops, equipment, and supplies can be deployed anywhere in the world quickly and efficiently. The Y-20 is a game-changer for China's military, allowing them to project power and influence on a global scale. It can transport heavy military equipment including tanks, armored vehicles, and even mobile missile launchers. This aircraft is a clear demonstration of China's commitment to building a modern, flexible military force. Finally, we have the Shenyang Y-8, a tactical transport aircraft that may not be as large as the Y-20, but it's no less important. This aircraft is incredibly adaptable, capable of taking off and landing on short, unprepared runways. The Y-8 can deliver essential supplies and personnel to remote locations, providing a lifeline in the face of adversity. It's also a valuable asset in military operations, capable of transporting troops, equipment, and supplies to forward operating bases. This aircraft might not grab headlines, but it's a workhorse, quietly and efficiently carrying out its mission. As we've seen, China's air power has undergone a dramatic transformation in recent years. These aircraft, with their advanced technology, strategic mobility, and high-powered weaponry, represent a new era of military capability. The world is watching, and it's crucial that we understand the implications of this growing military force. The future of global trade, security, and international relations may very well depend on it.